many of you know,
Hi there, this video is live,
of
extreme, Arctic snow
travel
blizzard,
problems across the
destruction,
We'll have a
UK
full weather update
2022.
in just a moment. First, here's our
Time of
correspondent,
the moment,
Duncan
the
Kennedy.
digital is 29 PM, and the date today is the 12th of December, 2022. Here we go, guys. Very, very testing times.
Drivers struggled to keep control.
Incredible. Arctic blast in the north. Blizzards, snow blizzards.
After collision.
Incredible.
In all these cases, no one was seriously hurt.
Incredible.
Watch it. In the southeast, smaller roads stayed covered for much of the day.
Really?
This driver skidded into a concrete post
Blimey.
but wasn't hurt.
Lucky him.
These are all cars
Stuck in the snow.
The M25 was closed in parts of Hertfordshire, leaving some drivers stranded for 12 hours.
Wow.
I've never seen snow like it. As soon as I hit the M25, it was just chaos.
At airports, more than 100 flights were cancelled today. At Heathrow, Stansted, Gatwick and Luton, hitting travel for thousands of passengers. Train services were also severely reduced in southern and southeastern areas.
Amazing. Incredible.
Houston, just one of the stations full of people rearranging their plans.
Blimey.
Many of those trains and
This is
planes
chaos,
could be
guys.
in the wrong location, which could add to the travel delays for many passengers. Although it's reported tonight that all the country's motorways are open.
Interesting.
This was Braemar in Scotland, where temperatures dropped to
Very
minus
historical.
15
Minus
degrees.
15. Wow.
Around 2,500 properties in Shetland have been without power. 40 people spent the night at the Bear Inn in East Sussex, trapped by the snow.
Wow.
Staff laying on hot drinks and mattresses amid the log fires.
Wow.
We heard that they were taking in stranded people. They were opening their doors, and we didn't quite know whether to believe it, so we trekked here.
The Met Office has issued another yellow snow and ice warning, covering northern Scotland and northeast England from tomorrow night until Thursday,
Wow.
creating the threat of yet more disruption. Duncan Kennedy.
There you go. If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel on Sign Gems. Let the force be with you always. Got back to spot the needs of the many. Outweigh the needs of few.
This was how things looked in
Incredible.
Aberdeenshire earlier on today.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Absolutely free.
And make the force be always. Got back to spot the needs of the many. Outweigh the needs of few. These skies were shot on Sign Gems. May the force be with you always. And this is my friend Sparky and Jimbo on the ITF Friday feeding every Friday 3 to 5 PM on the Cell Hills Radio Station show. This was like 1500, 1700, and listen to me on John Andrews' Lara show every Sunday at 9 AM to 12 PM on the Waking Radio Station. Please subscribe to Sign Gems. It's like it's going to turn milder soon. Subscribe to Sign Gems. Bye.